So we gave you a good overview of all the options within this machine. Now I want to show you how to actually go in and make changes to an automatic wrap cycle. So let's say I liked how pallet 1 wrapped, but I want to make some changes to it and save it as pallet 2. So right now I'm in pallet 2, I'm going to go to pallet 1. So now I'm in pallet 1, hit jog down to go to that menu, and I'm going to go down to cycle parameters to make some changes. So right now there's only 1 wrap on the bottom. I want to change that to 2, so I hit OK. I go up to change to 2, hit OK. Now I jog down to top wraps. I want to change that to 2 as well. Hit OK. Change to 2. Hit OK from there. And then I'd like to take a look at the tension. So it's set at 40. Let's say I wanted to do a little bit more. I want to go to 45. Let's change 45 there. Hit OK. And then I'll go to the next one. Now remember, the bottom wrap tension isn't going to matter because we have a value in the previous one. So I want to go over to ascent speed and change that to 40. So if I hit OK here, it's at 80. I'm going to get it down to 40. Hit OK. And now within the general parameters, that's really all I want to change. I want to hit escape. And what I want to do is go over to cycle type. And I believe that was going up and down. Yep. I want to change it to only go upwards. So I'm going to go there, hit OK. Now I have that set. So I've made all those changes. Now I want to go up to Save User Program. Click OK. Now, if I save it now as pallet 1, it's going to make changes to pallet 1. What I want to do is actually make it for pallet 2. So I'm going to hit up, change it to 2. So I'm kind of doing a save as. And I click OK. And now I've saved it. So it's saving complete. Escape to return. And now pallet 2 is going to have all those changes that I made. It was going to be like pallet 1 with the changes that I made to pallet 2. And now should we all be set to wrap that pallet.